Cocky as fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited. Yo hoe wanna be me, yo nigga want eat it. Cocky as.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a little quick video of me giving my hair some TLC. I'm going to cleanse my hair with the bentonite clay. And then I'm going to give myself a protein treatment, deep condition, and then style my hair in its normal washing down. Yeah, since I haven't given my hair like that much of a treatment or TLC in a long time, so I think I'm gonna start today. So it's been in this bun for about, I don't even know, like a week or two. I'm just gonna go ahead and say 2 weeks. I used the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding for the first time with some wet line, and I don't know if I like it or not yet, so that's why I said it's time for me to give my hair some TLC to see if that was just like making my hair like super straight, or do I have some heat damage? We're gonna figure that out. Look how rough I look. Dirty, matted, feels rough. It's wet in the middle still. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair and detangle it before I start this, do the bentonite clay. It's so clumpy. I could never get it like the first time I had it. But anyways, I'll be back. Okay, so I am done putting my mask in, and I'm just gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes or so, and then rinse this out, and then what am I doing? Rinse this out, and then I'm gonna do my protein treatment. So this is what my hair looks like with the clay mask. That is what it looks like. So I'll be back. Bye. Alright, so I just got done rinsing the clay out, and my hair is soft and clean. It feels so good. Curls popping. Okay, come through. Yeah. The only thing I had in my clay was the clay, honey, and aloe vera juice, and some water, and olive oil. That's it. But my hair feels good. I'm gonna start using that instead of shampoo. And then curls is, you know, semi-popping, and they're a little defined. Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this on. And then I'm gonna go in with the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I'm about to put that in this water bottle, put it all over my hair. I'll probably blow dry because I don't feel like sitting under the dryer. So I'm gonna probably just in there and do the hand blow dryer and then wash it out, and then I'll come back. So yeah, I'm loving this. It feels good. Hopefully this protein treatment will help my curls a little more than it already is. Okay. Oh, Lena did it. Meow. Okay, bye. So I done sectioned my hair off and everything, and I don't know what possessed me to just get one of these. Cause look at this. What is this? What is this gonna do for me? Please tell me. Please. So what I have to do is I'll probably do half and half, like spray the bag. I got a lot of hair, like this ain't gonna work, chief. This ain't it. This ain't it. So I'm about to try to figure this out. Okay, so I just rinsed the balancing moisturizer out. Left that on for like 4 minutes or so. And it seems like my hair is like so. Still the same, but time for deep condition time. Okay, so this is my hair after deep conditioning. Dried up a little bit. coming to life. It's coming back. It's coming back a little bit. Still the same looking. Feels good. Feels soft. It's just looser and more like manageable. But I'm going to style my hair like I normally do, my little wash and go. I'm not gonna bore you with the specifics. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
Cocky as fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited.